Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable credit score monitoring with Credit Karma beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Credit Karma and press enter. Click on the official Credit Karma website link. On the home page, locate and click the sign up button. If you already have an account, click login instead. If you are signing up, fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. Once logged in, look for the credit score section on your dashboard. Click on the link to access your credit report and scores. Next, locate the credit monitoring feature within the dashboard. Click on Enable Monitoring or a similar option. You might be asked to verify your identity through a series of questions. Answer these questions accurately to proceed. After verification, you will see an overview of your credit monitoring settings. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, confirm your enrollment in credit monitoring. Credit Karma will then notify you of any significant changes to your credit report. For additional customization, explore the notification settings to adjust your preferences. You can opt to receive alerts via email or mobile notifications. To monitor your credit score, return to your dashboard regularly. Make a habit of checking for updates and changes to stay informed. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled credit score monitoring with Credit Karma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.